Today, I'm going to show you how to mix plaster of Paris the right way. Be back in a second. Hi, welcome back to Get Plaster with Andy. We're working out this beautiful project here, and this is fine casting plaster. It's basically plaster of Paris, okay? So what you want to do, you want to get 1 cup of water, just under, doesn't matter, full cup, whatever, just under a cup of water, like that. Now you always put your water in first. You don't put your plaster in first and then add water. You basically put your water in first, okay? Put another cup, same size. We're going to use the same amount, so it's going to be 1 cup of water, 2 cups of plaster of Paris, okay? Now you're going to sprinkle this in slowly. You don't want to go in too fast, yeah? Just sprinkle it all the way around it. Now when I'm mixing this stuff, I don't use a cup because I do it all by eye. But people have been asking me how much plaster, you know, you actually put in to your water. So this is giving you a demo, yeah? So 1 part water, 2 parts of plaster. And again, this is the 2nd cup. That's the slide. Yeah, just let that settle. Okay, so we've got to let that soak in, okay? Meanwhile, Declan's going to give you a little show around of some of the stuff we've been doing here. So this is what it looks like when it's actually soaked in. Let's give it a little stir. You have to make sure it soaks first, yeah? You don't stir it until it's soaked. Now that's the consistency you want. I'm going to dip my hands in it, yeah? See back there? That's the consistency. That's a nice mix, yeah? So it'll take about, well, we're going to put a time on and give you exactly how long it takes to start picking up, okay? So we'll be back in a second. Right, so that's been 5 minutes, okay? If you look at this mix, this is a nice consistency to start making things good, yeah? Especially something like a mitre, you know, a little mitre like this on the panel moulding. You can also use it for, like we just repaired some damaged corners in a previous video, which you can look at the link here. So that's how we mix the plaster, and that took 5 minutes to set, like start set, you know, picking up. You can see it's picking up more. So you've probably got about another 15 minutes with this, you know, max 10-15 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed, and as I say, please comment for where you're watching from as well. That I really appreciate if you could do that. And for now, what we're going to do, son? Get plastered.